Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to My Life with Sunglasses. While our channel typically takes you on a journey to explore the beautiful beaches of various cities, today we're going to take a little detour. We know that travel can sometimes lead to unexpected situations, even at home. So, in the spirit of adventure and problem solving, we've got something special for you today. Today, I've enlisted the help of my trusty friend for an exciting DIY adventure as we tackle a stubborn kitchen drain clog. So, grab your apron, and let's dive into this unforgettable journey together. Picture this, it's a busy Sunday evening, and we were prepping a massive dinner. Suddenly, the sink decided to throw us a curveball. That's when my friend handed me half a cup of trusty old baking soda, and I poured it down the drain. Now, here comes the fun part, folks. Where the magic happens. My friend poured a cup of vinegar over the baking soda. It felt a bit like a science experiment, just like that one time my friend tried to build a volcano for a school project. But no worries, this reaction is all part of our master plan to dissolve that clog. While we wait for our DIY volcano, clog-busting mixture, to do its thing, let me share a heartwarming anecdote. My grandma used this exact method for decades. She'd always say, nature's cleaners work best. Her kitchen? It smelled like a piece of heaven. My dear grandma once used this same method to unclog her sink. She swore by it, and her kitchen always smelled so fresh afterward. Let the mixture sit for at least 30 minutes while we reminisce about Grandma's wisdom. Now, while our concoction works its magic, let's talk about Uncle Bob. He's got the secret to cooking his famous spaghetti that he swears by. He says boiling water first is the key to perfectly al dente pasta. Today, we'll borrow a page from Uncle Bob's playbook for a different purpose. Carefully pour that scalding hot water down the drain, just like Uncle Bob would do. It's like a spa day for your plumbing. Imagine it's a hot, relaxing bath that's going to wash all your drain troubles away. Time to see the results. Now, the moment of truth. With bated breath, we turned on the faucet and let the water flow. Ah, the sweet sound of success. A free-flowing drain is like a victory parade in your kitchen. And there you have it, DIY adventures. With my friend by my side, we turned a kitchen sink crisis into a success story with nothing but baking soda, vinegar, and a sprinkle of heartwarming anecdotes. If you enjoyed this DIY adventure and our journey together, don't forget to give us a hearty thumbs up and subscribe for more heartwarming home hacks and entertaining stories. Thanks for embarking on this unforgettable journey with us. And there you have it, my travel-loving friends. While we usually bring you the wonders of the world's beaches, today we showed you how to tackle a common household challenge. Because let's face it, whether you're exploring exotic shores or enjoying the comforts of home, life is an adventure filled with unexpected twists and turns. But don't worry, we'll be back soon with more breathtaking beach destinations from around the globe. If you found this detour into DIY home solutions helpful, or if you just enjoyed our little change of pace, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Thanks for being a part of our journey, no matter where it takes us.